Okay, this is ichooseinfinity.com, and I'm just going to make a quick video to go over the daily observations and some information about climate change. So on this page you get daily updates of local universal observations using a lot of the satellites that have now got infographics available online provided by NASA and other institutions, and you'll learn how to watch the sun here. You'll learn about, this video is about the fractal universe and gives you a good framework to start understanding and comprehending the mechanics of the universe. There's still a lot needs to be discovered, but the patterns you learn in that are useful. And it looks to me, from all of the data I've been looking at over 4 years, that climate change is actually, well, partly pollution and human induced, but the majority of it is solar and galactic electromagnetic shift. And we're able to observe what's actually happening now to prove the story along as we go. So this is a new page that I'm developing, Patterns of Observation. It shows you all the tools to visualize our infinite reality. But currently, humans are better at pattern recognition than supercomputers. So we need a lot of people to look at these data sets and recognize the patterns, what's the cause, what's the effect, and then we can build a model of reality so we can predict what's going on and we can counter it with mitigation for global disasters and such. So bookmark this page. I'm just going to scroll down and read everything, and then the next video I'll go into each page. So we get a simplified overview of how the climate works on Earth. Not much to do with the Sun and the galaxy. This is an event mapping tool. This is a list of NASA's Earth operating missions. This is NASA, SOHO, ISWA. They're looking at the Sun and the Earth connections, and then that's the upper stratosphere wind map. Some information about the Sun. I'm still looking for resources about the moon orbit, tides, star maps, and comets. Planetary alignments are very instrumental in earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and solar activity. So, looking for patterns. You can measure earthquakes with GPS. You see the solar fields from Gong. Here's a map of all the presently erupting and recently erupted volcanoes on the planet. The outer solar system satellites, Voyagers, IBACs. We really need to develop a galactic Enlil spiral because it looks like the Sun gets a lot of energy from the galaxy in the same way that the Sun delivers energy to the Earth. You've got information about the Sun sending energy to Earth, the aurora, that's Earth receiving energy. The KP index is high energy particles like solar storms. The Earth-Sun connection, plasma properties, because everything is like a fluid dynamics out there. There is actually energy moving in fluid-like patterns. So this one's the jet stream conditions wind map. The Earth's pole has been moving, so there's well, both the poles have been moving, and star maps, you can see where the push and pull of the different fluid dynamics at higher levels interacts and causes the polar tracking. We can look at crust competition, ocean floor map composition, ocean floor maps, and the conductivity of both the ocean and the composition of the floor, because it's an electric universe, and where there's electric current you push and pull. Sea levels, the Australian floods in 2010-11 dropped sea levels by like 0.5 centimetre because it soaked up so much water. You can look at drought and flood maps, rain accumulation maps, weather images, ground level, surface condition wind maps, heat distribution, more about how the Sun sends the general heat to the Earth, look at the waves, the currents, buoys, temperature, like I said before, the conductivity as well. Then we start looking at vegetation, drought, fire, agriculture, desertification, where we're protecting, where the rain's going, the fisheries, the dead reef, protected zones, our fresh water, the air quality, sandstorms with the wind map, precipitation. Global Coherence Initiative is looking for patterns relative to large-scale human action and changes in the Earth's magnetic field. They're seeing lots of correlations and patterns emerge there as well. Extremely interesting. I've got to find the right information to put there though. And then we can start, once we've become aware of all those, we can look at the human influence on all those systems, both obvious and then the network flow on, because we'll be working out how they all connect and interact. Then we can look at pollution from areas like where it originates, and understanding the population, energy use, food, water use and needs, and debt, of course, because for some unknown reason we've still got debt tied to everything in our lives. If we really want to stop climate change or understand climate change and create a beautiful reality, we have to get rid of the debt problem, get rid of money, work something else out. This is rethinking solar maximum and gravity after some recent high pressure and low pressure studies with matter. And here's some added bonuses. Few ideas to facilitate a global system of systems to co-create a fast and peaceful whole system change, like global whole system change. Language translation, crowdfunding, workaway travel, that's traveling in exchange for food and accommodation, no money is exchanged. Participatory community governance framework, where the possibility must be explored that we end representative governance and then all participate because we've got the ability to do so and we have the desire to do so. Some projects that can facilitate that, and the Infinity Prize challenges, which are a list of challenges that could build this system of systems. It's broken down into 6 challenges because it's a big project. They're available there. So, and daily observations is daily observations of the local universe. I think we started there. Anyway, see you soon.